In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag contacts in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to the settings, top right, and you want to click on this cogwheel, and we're going to be creating a new property because HubSpot doesn't have a native tag button, okay? So to set up a new custom contact property, you want to go to over here on the left, scroll down, and data management, click on properties. Inside properties, you want to click on create property. Just make sure you have selected, of course, contact as contact properties up top. So here where it says select object, make sure it is contact properties. And then when you do this, click on create property. And that is going to allow you to create a new property over here. What we're going to do here is give it a name. So under name here, we're going to basically name this, for example, contact tags like this. Of course, you can do whatever you want here. And I'm going to go and set the field to a multi-line checkboxes or multiple checkboxes. So it's over here. There we go. And then you have option styles like this. You have either a badge or default. I'm actually going to put a badge. And then I'm going to do some checkbox options. So I'm actually going to just name, do some simple things. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's going to work. Of course, you can add multiple if you wanna. You can add colors on here as well with your specific tags that you want to use for your specific scenario. Okay, now when you've done this, you could also go and click on create property. And that's really all you have to do. A new property is going to be created. Now, once you've done this, you can then go to a CRM on the left and then contacts. So it's going to refresh and go to your contacts. And from here, you want to go and click on a specific contact you want to tag. So for example, if I click on John Doe over here, which is just like a sample contact I have in here, from this screen inside the specific contact you want to tag, you then want to go to the left here inside this key information tab, and you want to click on action. And you want to do customize properties. Okay, this is going to allow you to customize the properties, and you can go to add properties, go to the search box and type in tag and find your contact tags, which we just created. So I'm actually going to click on it like this. There we go. It's been added to the very bottom, and I'm going to hit the save button. When you do this, at the bottom now you can see contact tags, and I can click, and here is my drop down. So if I put this one on 1, there we go. We've successfully added a tag to my contact. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.